Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back. Everything that I use in this video will be listed down below. I know it's been a while since I posted, and it's because, as you can see from the background, a lot has changed. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm starting off with this Grwm 20s palette. This one is Reckless, and I'm going in with this forest green shade right here, and I'm wearing I'm wearing a green hoodie over this shirt, but I may take the shirt off, so I will pop in a little bit of orange and red into this look, and maybe a smidge of yellow. I'm not sure yet. Girl, conceal your lids, y'all. I've been working for about 2 weeks now, and I've been doing my makeup every single day of me working. I've been going to work early. Like I be at work 30 minutes early, y'all. And those who know me, like they don't know me happy. But I don't stay far from work. Even when I stayed around the corner, I still was late. Only because I'm not a morning person, and even though it is 12 right now, and I don't have to be at work until 1:30, I still have to wake up, shower. I don't be eating. I don't know what I'm gonna eat later on today. I get off at 9:30. Yesterday when I got off at 9:30, mostly everything was closed. So today I'm gonna try to get off a little earlier. So this one is a makeup vlog. So I still will be telling y'all different steps that I'm doing, but it's mainly like an update on what I've been doing. So I'm back in the US. We came back a week before my birthday, so like the first week of June. Actually, not even a week, a couple of days before my birthday. And it was a family emergency, so we came here in March. So when y'all seen that by live for the first time, if you all had a chance to check that out, and I enjoyed that a lot. It was peaceful and everything. Now today, I'm gonna try to record me doing my makeup every day on the days that I actually do my makeup. I don't always do my makeup in the morning. Sometimes I may do my brows, a little mascara, and some lip gloss and spot conceal, and that's about it. But now I'm going in with that dark green shade, and I'm using that in the outer corner. So stamping it into place, and I'm gonna build it up. I'm actually gonna use the mirror on this palette so that I could see. And I'm just building it up, and then I'm going to kind of flare it out a little bit. Actually, I want to round it. Okay. Do the same thing on this side. Build it up. And if you're not comfortable going all the way to the outer edge because you're scared you're going to come out here, move up a little bit so when you blend, it kind of blends out. I've been doing it for a while, so I know exactly where I want my placements to be. And since I did flare it out a little bit before rounding it, I'm gonna do that and then round it. Okay, now I think I want it to be a little deeper, because I really want that green to show through. Then I'm gonna go in with a also can go in with this green, the camo green first as a transition color, but I like to do like my darkest colors first and then go in with a light color. And sometimes I'll go in with my transition color and then the color. It just depends. And now for the orange, but before I do this, there's really nothing on the brush. I'm just blending out that edge. So with this one, I'm going in with the Hood of Beauty. This is the Ruby Obsessions palette.